Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is our tuber learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you automatically install updates Firefox updates on settings in Mozilla Firefox browser. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinned in my taskbar. Go to this and we also click the three bar icon that will get the things. Enter the settings option here, the front page we will get the things. So what have, so there have the general page. We will do the scrolling in below, then we will get the things. So where see here, allow Firefox here the automatically install updates recommended means Mozilla Firefox official page or company have recommended in this option that we can on, as because by default when the updation or any kinds of thing has been changed, the thing will be automatically changed. That's why we will do the mark. See, the thing has been updated. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.